Oh, bitch, I'm done being humble. Bitch, I'm done being I'm done being humble. I'm sick of this shit. I'm sick of this game. Trying to fit in, gon' drop me a 10. I did my life for most of my story. Now I'm taking all this motherfucking glory. I'm a manifestor. Bitch, I'm chosen. Learned the hard way, major lessons, but they turned out to be my blessings. You tried to bring me down, manipulation was the game, but you played, and bitch, I'm done being humble. I'm sick of this shit, I'm sick of this story. Hamster wheel can't be the end of the story. Wake up, go to work, come home, do it all again. Then you gotta, what? Tell me how I'm wrong. For wanting better for myself, for my team. Rather than repeat until you catch a
bitch, I'm done, yeah.
Cancer. Now your life is nothing but meds instead of working ladder, rinse and repeat. On your deathbed, writing letters, saying you're sorry, how you wish you would have chose better. Neglected yourself, your heirs, and now you wonder why nobody else cares. It's a story.
Oh, bitch, I'm done, yeah. Humble, bitch, I'm done, yeah.
Don't spend your life thinking how you was doing it wrong. You were doing exactly what they programmed you to sing the song. Chase the dream, the money and the fame. Your cash gonna drive you insane. Give your energy to somebody else for 8 hours a day and 40 hours a week. I'm done. Not me. Choose a different path. They took my house, my car, and thought I wasn't protected. I'm chosen.
Oh, bitch, I'm done, yeah. Humble, bitch, I'm done, yeah.
Never missed a meal or slept on the streets. I know source and my spirit team. Happy last contact with you. Can't sit at my new table cause you a snake just like Cain and Abel. You cutthroat. But bitch, I'm done. I'm done being humble. You can't take my joy. Peace. I'm done being humble, bitch.
Bitch, I'm done being wrong, but bitch, I'm done being.